What's going on?
Nothing.
Josh said someone is coming. Do you know who the person is?
Yes.
Who?
Jesus.
Huh?
Daddy, Jesus is coming. Repent.
Alec. Okay, guys. I know Dad is going to try to tempt us. We must not break, okay? We must stay strong. Why are you laughing?
They're telling us to stay strong, and instead they'll still break.
And why do you think so?
Because you like fancy things, and you're an easy target.
Judas Iscariot.
Why are you calling me Judas Iscariot?
Because you will betray us.
Dara, listen. I will not betray us.
That's what Peter said until the cock crows.
Josh.
Good morning, Dad.
Tell me who is coming tomorrow, and I have a gift for you.
Forget it, Dad. You can't tempt me.
Joshua.
Dad.
I got you one car. Think about all the places you can drive to. All you have to do is tell me who is coming, and the car is all yours.
Something is wrong.
Just say the word, and you'll be a car owner. Who is coming to this house?
Emmauella is coming back!
Josh!
Emmauella is coming.
Yes, Emmauella is coming back. She said we shouldn't tell you because
Joshua!
Oh my God!
She said we shouldn't tell you because she wants to surprise you.
This man!
That is the khaki.
Oh, that's what you people have been hiding from me.
Daddy, I went outside but I didn't see it. Where is it?
Jesus!
Daddy, what is this? A toy car?
Jesus!
I said I was going to get a car. I didn't tell you the kind.
Oh, Daddy, what is this now? I don't like this thing. I don't like it.
Can't keep a secret, like father, like son.
Oh, no.
Faster, come here! Faster!